Hello, this is Tina Bailey, and I am here with an unboxing of Doja Cat makeup brushes. I saw this in Ulta, and I enjoyed looking at the bright colors, the gold, and that feather brush. So, and I needed some brushes. And these brushes were pretty, and all the colors around it. Here we are. Comes with a a bag. They come already in the bag. Here's that fan brush. And it looks fluffy and soft. It's fluffy and soft looking. And here's the handle. So that's what I like about seeing it on the box, that gold. The packaging looks very interesting and colorful and bright. And the display around it had browns. And here's, you saw that, how that was on there. So I'm just gonna go through the brushes. They were in this bag, inside this bag, but I took them out. And now I'm just going to go and take them out of the plastic here with you. Here's, I guess, an eyeliner brush. And I'm just gonna take them out, and you can see them as I'm taking them out of the plastic. They are so pretty, shiny. I feel for the shiny. I like the brown around it, like the display I thought was for me. So I saw a makeup kit that looked like it could possibly put on my eyeshadow and my foundations and my concealers and be pretty. That's how the big brushes came, with a net around it and around the bristles, I guess, to hold them in place. So this is my first set of makeup brushes. Woohoo! This is how they look all together. They look like they could be on display. Put them in like a vase or something. A pretty something another to display them in. So yeah. Oh, there's more. But wait, there's more. All right, how many are there? This is a plenty. That's why I was hoping it could help, but okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that? That shine. That shine. What do you call that? Alright, so am I going to try and put makeup on with these? Being a newbie to makeup. It looks so pretty. Put them in a glass face and decorate with them. Decorate your spot with them. Do I dare? Okay, I think this is a foundation brush. All right, I'm gonna go for the gusto. I'm going to attempt to do something. Am I getting chicken? I have done a little research on brushes. I didn't do much research on this one. I just saw this one and liked seeing the package, and I liked seeing the display. The display is what attracted me to look over and see the brushes. So I like that. I like the display. And then I looked down and saw a box of brushes that had a pretty packaging. So voila. Can people make any brush work to the best that they can? It depends on the person, huh? Okay, let me stop the video.